We did it again, guys. One more time. 7,000 subscriber. Alright? You know what, Ben? I just want to take the time to say thank you so much for subscribing to the YouTube channel, leaving your comments in the description box. The YouTube channel is growing slowly, strongly, mighty, and powerful. You know what I say, guys? You know what, Ben? Without you, I can do nothing. It's not me. It's all about you giving the energy, the strength, everything. You know what I mean? And you know what I mean? Just thank God for, you know what I mean, the knowledge and the wisdom that He give us, that we can use it to share to others, that others can see exactly what's going on. Even today, I make a nice, lovely dish. You know what I mean? Just to enjoy, making you know what's going on. I made this nice, lovely stir-fry, healthy lifestyle vegetable dish right here. It's on my YouTube channel, Chef Ricardo Cooking Show. You can go and watch it. Look at it. Take a good look. Yeah? That's why it's good to subscribe and get the latest update from Chef Ricardo and the team. But look at this vegetable. May I tell you, this is amazing. This is amazing. But not only that, I just want to here to say thank you so much. You know what I mean? Because we got 7,000 subscribers. We are growing. You know, it's the juice bar channel. You know what I mean? And now I want to do my juice. But from the other day, I've been doing a lot of salad and a lot of different stuff on the channel. Because I have a lot of people requesting things and I need to push them out. Push them out. Push them out. Alright, guys? Anyway, thank you so much. You know what I mean? Have a lovely weekend. Enjoy yourself. And also, prepare for the winter ahead, which is coming. Alright, guys? One love from Chef Ricardo and the team. And I will see you next time. Bye-bye.